Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to change email in Masterclass. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Masterclass, you can use the link in the description and you can get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Masterclass, you just need to sign in your account. And after signing in your account, just click these three lines on the top right corner and go to your settings. And as you can see right here on the settings, my personal info will be, or my your account settings will show, and you can just click edit on the email if you want to change your email address. So after that, after clicking the edit button, you just need to do some verification on your account before you continue changing your email address. And yeah, that's it. So after that, you are good to go. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can change email address on Masterclass. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.